Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Friends, in this particular video, we are going to discuss about family law in Australia, how they protect rights and resolve disputes. Uh, Friends, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for the notifications of upcoming informative videos. So let's go to the mobile screen and discuss in details. So we are on the mobile screen and we are going to search about family law in Australia. First of all, let's write in Google Chrome family family law in Australia. Let's scroll down a little bit and here is everything you need to know about family law in Australia. Australian family law. Family law in Australia is governed by the Family Law Act 1975, which operates in conjunction with the Family Court Act 1975. Family court proceedings are heard in the Family Court of Australia, the Federal Circuit Court of Australia, or the Family Court of Western Australia. Court process: if, after attending a family law mediation or dispute resolution, you and your former spouse or partner have been unable to resolve a family issue, you can apply to the courts to make a final ruling for you. You can apply to the courts for various orders, including parenting orders or financial orders. If you apply for the court to make a decision, you will need to pay a filing fee. You may be able to apply for a fee reduction depending on your financial circumstances. After you apply to the court to resolve your matter, the court will usually set down a date for your matter to be heard. Some matters where one party may be in danger can be heard with urgency. Family Court of Australia. The Family Court of Australia is responsible for hearing the most complex family disputes. It was established in 1975 with the passing of the Family Law Act 1975. It started operating on the 5th of January 1976. It hears family matters in all Australian states other than Western Australia. Western Australia is serviced by the Family Court of Western Australia and was established with the introduction of the Family Court Act 1975. Its operation is consistent with Commonwealth legislation. It was created because there are matters related to de facto relationships and adoptions that extend beyond the scope of Commonwealth power. The court's powers are vast and include facilitation of possible reconciliations, family counseling, family dispute resolution, or other family services, including breaches or non-compliance with previous orders the court has made. Federal Circuit Court of Australia. The Federal Circuit Court has limited jurisdiction and typically hears matters related to spousal maintenance, parenting orders, property disputes, and the enforcement of court orders made by the family court. When hearing matters, the Federal Circuit Court must comply with the regulations set out in the Act and operates under the same jurisdiction as the Family Court in relation to matters involving child support. Divorce. As everyone knows, marriages unfortunately do not always work out. The Family Law Act 1975 lays out the regulations surrounding divorce in Australia. No fault divorce up until 1975. It was difficult for spouses to divorce as they would need to prove that their spouse had been unfaithful, was an alcoholic, or was medically insane. It was often humiliating and very expensive for the spouse wishing to divorce. In some instances,